All right, expanding and simplifying expressions here. So we have an expression, and first we get used to reading this. So we have a number with no operation between the number and the brackets. Okay, and we also have that in our second case, but we're going to focus over here. When there's nothing there, we assume it's actually a multiplication when it's directly pushed up. Okay. Now, since it's 4x multiplied by the brackets, well, the brackets consist of two different terms. So we're actually going to have to multiply by both of these terms. So a lot of times they call this distributive property or rainbow method. But what it means is I have to take this negative 4x, I have to multiply it by negative 2x, and I have to multiply it by negative 8. So let's do the first one. A negative 4x times negative 2. Well, that's a negative times a negative. So we're going to end up with a positive answer, right?
Yeah.
So we've taken care of that. What is 4 times 2?
8.
8. So we have positive 8. And what is x times x?
Squared.
X squared. So we have positive
X squared.
8x squared.
Yeah.
And the second one, we'll do this in blue. Okay, same idea.
Yeah.
Negative times a negative?
Positive.
Positive. What is 4 times 8? Want to use a calculator?
32.
Yeah. And what is x times, well, there's no value there.
No.
So what do we do with that x?
Just put it with 32.
Yeah. Just leave it on the end there. Now, are these like terms?
No.
No. So can we go any farther?
No.
No. So we have 8x squared plus 32x. That's the answer to the first one.
Oh.
Okay. Now, in the second one, I have a value, and then again, we're stuck with negative 3, and there's nothing here. So if there's nothing there, what do we assume the operation is?
Addition. No, multiplication.
Yeah, that's right.
Yeah.
Multiply. So we need to multiply this negative 3 by both of the terms.
Yeah.
So that's what we're going to do first. We're not going to worry about this first term here. We're going to do this multiplication. So negative 3 times 9 and negative 3 times 2b. So the 5b will stay over here. And let's focus. Negative times, what value is this, negative or positive? Okay, what's a negative times a positive?
Positive.
Do you remember the rules? Let's write them up. Positive by positive is negative by negative is positive, and negative by positive is a
Negative.
yeah. So we're gonna have a negative answer. And what is 3 times 9?
I think 12. 27.
That's right. So we have negative 27. Okay, in our other case, negative 3, so negative times a positive, what is that going to give us?
Negative.
That's right. What is 3 times 2?
6.
Yeah. And this b, what do we do with that?
Just leave it on the end.
Okay, leave it on the end. Now, are there any like terms with what we have?
5b and negative 6b.
That's right. Those are both like terms. So this 27 is negative. I'm going to bring it to the front. It still stays negative. I think in yours you made it a positive when it moved. Okay. So now we have negative 6b, and I just rearranged this. What's this 5b? Is it negative or positive?
Positive.
Yeah, so think of it like plus 5b. So we're going to add these together. What's negative 6 plus 5?
Negative 1.
That's right. So we have negative 1b. Can we collect like terms with the negative 27 and the 1b?
No.
No. So is that as far as we can go?
Yeah.
That's as far as we can go.